Unfortunately, I forgot to film an intro to today's video, so we went in abandoned air raid shelters.
This is the 192 service to Manchester.
We've just entered the abandoned air raid shelter. Well, I have Aaron still outside. Oh shit. I'm gonna get a video of this farm falls.
Yo, do you mind shining a light?
Can you see?
Oh, yeah.
Can you see? It wasn't too bad to climb through, wasn't it?
Nah, it's pretty easy.
We got no camera. We got no torch today. Fuck it. We're trapping.
Bumberclad.
Left. Is that light? Can't see. What is it? That's just an engine, to be honest with you.
Bumberclad.
No, I meant no.
Oh, it's me.
Was it you?
No.
Stop it!
World War II air raid shelter right now.
Just follow that arrow and walk.
Yo! Who's been doing Hitler in it?
Heil Hitler!
Want some bracelets and everything, Daddy? You better get the best.
Go right. Because I want to know what's through that door.
Follow the arrow first.
Yo, have you ever watched Final Destination? Don't follow the arrows.
Okay, come on.
Yo, there's actually a smart plan though, because the string line, so we don't get lost.
Yeah, because I think that's a homeless guy lives in it.
Yeah, defo.
Where'd you fight his skills?
Pretty looking
Go first, okay.
good. Nah, I'm alright, you know.
We'll go same
We'll
time.
go same time.
Yeah. Fix it. You check every corner. Yeah.
Who's there?
Should be based on me.
Is that a traffic cone?
I think we need a big torch.
I think we do, but I don't have one.
We do, yeah.
You know, but when you got the big torch, it makes it not scary.
Makes it more fun though. I want to go down this way now. Because all the string lines are going that way.
Yo, imagine we find a dead body in it.
We're going to report it, leave it.
Leave it or let him rest.
Yeah, but next like a murderer getting around.
Yeah.
Fuck you.
Stick your hand in there.
No.
Yo, something grabbed my hand. Don't know what it was though. Yeah, Red Rock Solid.
Bumberclad.
This was World War II air raid shelters.
You think?
Yeah.
I feel like if a bomb landed on top of it, it might fall through.
Nah, what is it? Because it went on a school trip here,
Yeah, this is what place.
Yeah, this was...
Stop it!
Because this bit locked off from the public. Fuck those
Where are we going? Did the light?
Fuck those
Where are we going? Did the light?
This is the only bit we get service in. Yo, imagine we screaming and everything just collapses and we're stuck in it.
We got service suite. It was like that come round the wall with a truck. Police truck. You think we might be safe? Dad, we're stuck.
Daddy, we're stuck in tunnel.
Yeah, Dad, we're stuck in tunnel. We might die. We tell people to get stuck. Forget what we're doing. Sit there watching TikTok till I almost die and just die.
Yo, that would actually be a good plan.
So instead of like ringing someone, ring them. Where are you? Tunnel, innit, Dad?
Yeah, you chilling? Yeah, sound. Don't die. Yo, how about that? Yeah, we got lost, but we're just chilling on TikTok.
Shit, my phone's on one. Oh, will it die? Oops. Like, you know when you're walking back, you walk back as fast as you do.
Yeah, because you know where you're going.
Right, it's a bucket.
You're right, that's a shit bucket with the chits in.
It looks pretty new. I think we have to go outside for a shit, to be honest with you.
Nah, they did actually have toilets in there though.
You
You
look
can
at
find
all
the toilets.
these, look at all these. You look at all these beds.
Stop it!
Yeah, it did.
Yo!
Man's got a
Water bottle.
Okay, let's go right. Like split up. You'd be a full-time YouTuber now, Adam.
Yep.
Oh, I feel.
So hey guys.
World
War II.
We'll do like.
It's hard to believe I'm walking through the ruins of the first ever city, because I'm not. That's in Iraq, which is miles away, and fucking dangerous. But the remains of it look pretty much like this. So you'd never know I wasn't actually there if I wasn't telling you now by accident.
We'll do like top gear or exit this way.
Oh yeah.
You know what? I just don't believe it.
Yo, I believe it. Believe everything they say. Definitely leads us to
We'll do
something
like top
cracky
gear.
does.
Are we getting every single episode? You know. Today, Riley was being sucked up in the neighbour. Jaden got lost in a tunnel. And Aaron, he's still queer.
I'm not gay.
I didn't say gay, I said queer.
Queer's gay. I'm not gay.
And nothing but not gay.
We're gonna have to do an intro then.
I think this might be the exit.
Yeah, I think it is.
Because I feel like we walked past this.
Yo, what's A? A dead end.
Why is it black? Is that oil?
Yo!
Bomba clock!
I said bomba clad, yeah.
Big body girl! I suppose you didn't shout. What? I think it might.
I can hear the road.
Well, I know what it is. No, I think basically we just didn't go with a straight line. We just kept turning.
Yeah.
I think there's like one main line and there's just a bunch of branches, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
Actually, I have no clue. I think, yeah, that's where it came from.
I see the light on there.
Yeah, okay, let's go this way, then we'll turn this way. Whoever went right, but
Yep.
wet. Oh, apparently it's wet.
Yo!
I'm wet.
What?
What?
Eddingoon.
Dead end. Dead end. I think it's not dead end, it's just watered up. Except what? I don't really need to know where.
Yo, check how deep that tunnel goes.
Okay, I don't know. Yeah, it's close to the now. So same. Yep. We've been there for about 20 minutes now.
Good expedition. Yo, you can stand fully up. I have to duck.
Not there, but I turned my head like this because yeah.
Yo, you know what I'll just do? Follow the exit sign now, like that. I can see you.
Stop it!
You're gonna jump out me and go boom!
I couldn't turn my phone off. Couldn't turn my phone off in time.
Yo,
Cannabis!
Stevie B,
Rocky Fairroy, what that means?
Rastafari,
Bomba Clark!
Bomba Clat,
The big body guy!
Gingerbread 448. Yo, if I've just shouted you out, well done.
Shout out Gingerbread.
Mrs. Vasila Bua,
Oh, there's acros.
Admirals.
Yeah, but I call them acros.
Yo, what's
What's
Kyron's brush doing down here?
Do you know what that means? The roof's not stable.
Yeah, no. Right, now we've got to figure out how to get out. So,
The little guy goes first.
yeah. Little guy went in,
Ah,
little guy
that's
went first. Yo, have you stuck an anal bead on Twitch?
Oh, my back. It's not too bad actually. Actually, yeah, it is well bad.
How?
How the fuck am I getting out of this?
Hold on to the, what's it called? Right guys,
Go out back first.
that is the day to that is the end of today's video. Goodbye.
Oh.